Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Are you tired of cramped car rides during your adventures? The Fivclemenzi roof rack is your answer to maximizing your cargo space and enjoying a comfortable ride. With 15 cubic feet of storage capacity, this roof rack can easily accommodate 4 to 6 suitcases, travel gear, camping essentials like tents and sleeping bags, and more. Make use of valuable interior space and stretch your legs for a more enjoyable ride. On top of that, it's also safe. That's why the Fivclemenzi roof rack features a sturdy system of 8 adjustable reinforced straps that ensure your cargo is securely secured in place. We've also included a complimentary anti-slip mat that provides a firm grip, preventing any shifting or sliding even at high speeds or on rough terrain. In addition, the Fivclemenzi roof rack is compatible with virtually any car, truck, or SUV. No roof rails? No problem. The 6 included door hooks allow for quick and easy installation in just minutes. Save time on installation and have more time to focus on your adventures. So choose Fivclemenzi and experience the freedom of spacious, worry-free travel. The wireless CarPlay adapter will make your life easier every time you get in the car. Imagine being able to easily access navigation, favorite playlists, Siri, calls and messages without cables. This setup is incredibly easy in just 3 simple steps. No additional apps, drivers, or complicated updates required. Once paired, it will automatically reconnect to your iPhone every time you start your car, even if it's in your pocket or bag. Plus, this adapter is compatible with over 800 car models equipped with factory-wired CarPlay and both USB and USB-C ports. It supports iPhone 6 and later running iOS 10 or later. Inside, the advanced 2024 Smart IC chip and processor provide an extremely stable, lightning-fast, and extremely reliable wireless connection. With a compact, beautiful design, it blends perfectly with any car interior. It's lightweight and portable, so it won't take up much space. The rugged outer shell and durable braided cable are built to withstand everyday wear and tear, and improved heat dissipation ensures long-term reliability. And their responsive customer support team is always there to help you along your journey. Want to cover your entire journey? This 4-channel dashcam records capture front, rear, left, and right views, covering a full 360 degrees with no blind spots. You can even adjust the 3 front lenses for optimal detail, or use one to record inside your car. In addition, the built-in GPS accurately tracks your location, speed, time, and route, displayed on a map in real time. And the best part is that it is compatible with iOS and Android. The cabin-facing lens has an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights for superior night vision. It provides 24/7 protection and records clearer than standard dash cams. Another detail that cannot be missed is that when it records loops, it ensures you never run out of space. The camera automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked footage. However, in the event of a collision, the G sensor will automatically lock the recording as evidence, preventing it from being overwritten. Order and contact us for more details about the product. And what are you waiting for? Invest in your car now. Say goodbye to ice runs and lukewarm food. This innovative cooler uses powerful thermoelectric technology to keep your drinks icy cold at 40 degrees Fa, or maintain hot food at a perfect 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for camping, fishing, road trips, picnics, and more. With ample space for dozens of bottles, food trays, or even 2-liter soda bottles, you can bring all your favorites. The easy clean design wipes down in seconds and requires no costly maintenance. This dual-function cooler works with AC or DC power, so you can plug it into a standard wall outlet or your car's 12-volt outlet. Built-in fans and a simple hot-cold switch ensure safe, effortless operation. The integrated handle extends and folds away for easy transport and storage. The airtight, watertight lid features ergonomic grips for quick access. Plus, a hideaway AC power cord and DC adapter are included, making it ready for any adventure. Be the life of the party, indoors or out. Looking for comprehensive coverage on the road? This 3-channel dash cam has you covered with a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree interior camera, and a 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, minimizing blind spots for maximum safety. The IPS screen delivers crystal-clear images from any viewing angle. Built-in G-sensor technology automatically triggers emergency recording and locks the footage upon detecting sudden impacts or collisions, even when parked. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage in 1 or 3-minute segments once the 32GB SD card is full, ensuring continuous recording. 4 infrared LEDs illuminate the interior camera, capturing clear footage in low-light conditions. Superior HDR technology balances exposure for optimal image quality in any lighting. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design and simple windshield mounting. The user-friendly interface and intuitive button layout make operation easy for anyone. What are you waiting for to make your car more interesting? Ever worry about returning to an empty parking space? This heavy-duty car lock is the ultimate defense against car theft. Made from a tough combination of aluminum alloy and steel, the lock is built to withstand the toughest attacks. It's like a superhero for your car, resisting cutting, hammering, prying, sawing, and even Freon attacks. Not only does it protect against theft, it also doubles as a steering wheel lock and telescopic brake lock. It comes with 2 pieces of tape to protect the contact points. Plus, the brake lock's exterior is coated with a sleek, functional rubber for added aesthetics. This car lock set comes with everything you need: 1 lock, 3 keys, and 2 pieces of tape. It takes just seconds to quickly and easily deter theft and keep your car safe. Plus, the Tevlify team is always ready to help. Contact us via Amazon and we will get back to you as soon as possible with a satisfactory solution. Don't wait to protect your car. Order your universal car lock today. Upgrade your gaming setup with the Host Warzone stand. Not only is it a fun collectible, but it's also a practical way to organize your gear. This heavy-duty PVC statue, featuring the iconic Ghost from Call of Duty Warzone, boasts a sturdy base that securely holds your phone, remote, or even your game controller. No more fumbling around for lost items. It's designed to hold most portable electronics, business cards, and more. Standing approximately X inches tall, this officially licensed Activision piece is a must-have for any Call of Duty fan. It's the perfect blend of form and function, a true collectible with a purpose. Head to Amazon now to upgrade your gaming gear to the perfect fit for your space and hobby. Moldy and unsightly leather chairs are a pain. Bring your old leather and vinyl furniture back to life with our leather color restorer. This versatile cream is perfect for restoring armrests, upholstery, and even boat and car seats, protecting them from further wear, discoloration, and unsightly scratches. It also protects your sofa from sun damage while restoring the natural shine of the chair. But it's not just for leather. Our dark brown formula works wonders on vinyl too, leaving your chairs and furniture clean and spotless. Add this essential cream to your furniture repair kit to maintain the pristine condition, soft texture, and stain-free surface of your leather. From sofas and upholstery to car and boat seats, leather jackets, boots, wallets, and belts, our Restorer Cream is the solution. Unlike temporary fixes like leather repair tape, our cream penetrates the material, nourishing it with natural oils and preventing premature cracking. Breathe easier on your drive with the Philips GoPure 5212 Car Air Purifier. This compact device boasts a clean air delivery rate of 16 millicuries per hour for PM2.5, meaning it filters 50% of the air in your car in under 10 minutes. It tackles harmful particles, cigarette smoke, and dust, leaving you with fresher, cleaner air. Philips' unique Select Filter Plus technology, featuring a HESA layer, goes even further. Through powerful absorption and oxidation, it removes harmful gaseous pollutants like car exhaust, chemical emissions from plastics, and unpleasant odors. For effortless use, the GoPure 5212 automatically turns on and off with your car's engine. A simple touch button lets you choose between 2 fan speeds. The included 13-foot 12-volt power cable and mounting accessories allow for easy installation anywhere in your vehicle armrest, headrest, or under the seats. The GoPure GP5212 includes one Select Filter Plus SFP 120 3-stage filter. For allergy sufferers, consider upgrading to the Allergy Filter Plus AFP 120, specifically designed to filter irritating allergens. No Bluetooth in your car? No problem. The Joyroom Bluetooth FM transmitter is the perfect solution. It easily adds wireless connectivity to any car stereo. Got a 3.5mm aux jack? Even better. Connect directly for crystal clear distortion-free sound. This adapter isn't just about sound, it's also a powerful charger. With a 30-watt PD Type-C port and 2 QC 3.0 USB ports, you can charge 3 devices at once. The PD port fast charges iPhones and Samsung devices, while the QC 3.0 ports boost most Android phones from 0% to 60% in just 35 minutes. Plus, a handy LED light makes it easy to find the ports at night. The vent-mounted design keeps the adapter at eye level, so you can easily adjust settings without taking your eyes off the road. Larger buttons are easy to press, minimizing distraction. Enjoy rich, balanced sound with enhanced bass thanks to the dedicated B button. The microphone is improved with 2 to 3 more sound pickup ports than conventional transmitters, and CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology ensures clear calls. Press and hold the center button to activate Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free control. With the latest Bluetooth 5.4, Joyroom offers faster pairing and an extremely stable connection. Built-in memory automatically reconnects to your last device and resumes playback from where you left off. Perfect for upgrading your car.